Hello, this is Alex here. Beautiful forest. Again, this is you're watching my love traveling home blog. The reason I started it is so people know wherever they are, they don't have to stay glued to their couch at home. Get out and explore. You don't have to spend a lot of money traveling to places where you've never been, where you could just travel where you are and love it, because there's many awesome places like this and more. Throughout the years I've been coming here, and every time I come here I still love it. I love it so much. This is for a fine piece. Come here alone, come here with friends, come here with partners. Every time it's different. Every time it's still a little bit of the beauty, inspiration, relaxation. It all it's all around you at all times. Infinite choices of what to do. And we shall explore that further to one of my favorite spots here. Ooh, a tree fell down, but it's a nice little spot. Oasis.